How to delete copied messages in WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete copied messages in WhatsApp. Now first, let's find out what I mean. So when you open up your WhatsApp and then when you copy a text, so let me copy this. Now whenever you try to paste something, this message will come up. Now if you do it once, okay, if you do it twice, again this will show up. Now, if you were on Android, you could have just went to the clipboard and removed that. But since there is no clipboard here, what you can do to simply delete the copied message is give a blank space. After you give a blank space, you can simply select it and then copy it. Now, after you do that, you'll notice that whenever you try to paste, there will not be any text. So that is how you can delete copied messages in WhatsApp on iPhone, guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.